which is called Ishisan. And that Ishisan reflects a wooden bowl. It has three meaning. First, it is a wooden bowl used to grind pepper or sili. It's one of the delicacies of the community in the past. The second version is, it is a wooden stone found along the river of Irisan in the past when Irisan was very rich in gold. And so the third version is, Ishisan is when there are people who get together and are cooperating together, which you call now a bayanihan or working together. In the Ibarang dialect, they call that the Adenon. Yes. In the beginning of the history, there were only 8 families occupying the whole mountains of Irisan. Yes. You have Bitawit, now Bitawit, now at Cyprus. Yes. You have Usyasan, now Purok 6. Yes. And we have San Carlos, or we call that Shoot. Why is it called Shoot? According to our great-great-grandfathers, there was a deer that has no fur. There are weddings, there are small groups where these families speak together. Even if there is no occasion, it is one way of socializing with each other. We are very fond of, our livelihood was kainin, gardening, animal raising. That's why we have plenty of cows, pigs, dogs, chickens, and all sorts of animals that we can raise. Irisan is very rich in natural resources. Our rivers were very clear. We can see tagpo, just pick them one by one. Different kinds of fish. You just go there and pick and then cook for bayan during lunch time or even in the evening. You can swim, you open your eyes, you can see the depth of the river. We have indigenous plants that are used for herbs, that are used for healing our wounds, cough, very simple ailments. Unfortunately, in the past, there were no cancer, there were no diseases that we have today. Although our life was very simple, our lifestyle was also very simple. We eat simple food, yet they are from nature, they are from our garden, they are from our kainin. These people are, the very first inhabitants are Ibanos, of course. And then after 5 years after, or within that year of development, came the Talangia and the Pantay. Would you like me to mention the first Ibalan families are the Osios, Osio, Tatay, Gapun, Apilas, Apilas, Maganes, because that is one name. Apilas, Maganes, Subli, Palde, Busui, Catalino, Luna, Piraso, Rolling up, Bugnay, and then you go up this way, there is Ilio, and then you go up to San Carlos, it is Supa. So that's where there is to be a baby. So So those were the very first families that occupied the area. So they occupied very well land, very wide spaces, all raised by either kainin, animal grazing, and we have a rice plantation in one of the groups. Indigenous plants like the balasbas, we can use that for an ink when it is already very, very ripe. Balasbas. And then we have hedges, and then we have alino. This alino is a tree wherein we get our rope-like for binding our houses, binding the sticks, good for our houses, because our houses then were made of nipa huts. Nobody used galvanized iron then. Our houses were made of nipa. It's made of sticks. It's made of wood. It's made of all the indigenous trees that are.
So this place before had a few houses wherein the neighbors knew each other. That the mountains were really very, very green trees. At saka noon ang daming mga ng mga wild animals in that forest na ganyan na pwede nakuha. Then wild fruits and very good picnic ground kasi doon nga is something very green. Napunta dito is are mostly Catholics. Ganyan. We have our church, very very old church here in Irisan, which is now called the St. Joseph. Maliit yan noon. We have only one building na it's plain wood, and then at the back of that is an HE wherein we have only one CR, and one din yan, parang flat din, pero the very very old elementary school is that one. That is the principal's office before, and then we only have one building here, that is the very old building wherein we have only around one section per grade, 1 to grade 6 under Mr. Dampa Balawan.
Tapos dito.
Pagkatapos, this one before is a really it's a mountain.
Which one, ma'am?
It is a national high school. It is not that big. We have only also one two-story building that side there. We have 6 rooms only. That's bundok na ro. Then bundok where we usually get our water supply. Kasi may creek dyan sa baba. And nakikita mo yung back nito is the old house ganyan, yung dayapin. Ganyan. But this one is really mountain. No, here
Here.
Pero ito, mga 1950s. Ganyan. Kasi grade 1 ako dito, 1957. And then here, this one before, wala pang high school yan. It's really mountain. Sa high school, Baguio. Mga Baguio Central. Ganun. Kasi Baguio Central, yung very good high school. Baguio Central, yun lang naman ang pinaka-malapit dito na puntahan ng mga nag-aaral. But really, this one is really... Transportation before is bus. Kasi may school bus kami noon, yung dangwang ganyan, na yung bang at 7 o'clock, pag nagbusina yung bus na yan, oo, asphalt. Boundary pa rin dun sa Laptang. Kaya nga pagbaba ng bus na ganyan, bubusina yan. Tapos, para pag-akyat na, dahan-dahan, ipigapin lahat ng mga estudyante. Saka ang bus noon na ganyan, yun bang dalawa lang na magkaharap na parang yung jeep na yung mga sinasakyan natin ngayon, pero very long na ganyan. Ang bus na. maganda naman mag-serve ng community mo eh. From Lipanto, I thought of coming here. Near the house, wherein you do not need to travel, less transportation cost. Kaya, nabiling lang yun, parang stock warehouse ang Coca-Cola dyan. Pero maraming yung mga employees are coming from different places then. They were the ones kaya who helped in the development also of this. They donated, some of them work na ganyan through yun bang sa fiesta na ganyan na they had already started with the.
So all of the inhabitants were just making their kainins. We were still doing our old tradition way of agriculture, planting rice, planting kamuti, and so on and so on and so forth. When this became already, when the barangay was already organized and formed, it is there where the development came blooming. Because from the introduction of, this was a barrio. This started as a barrio. And then when we became a city, development came, the government agencies came to see us, the government health centers came to see us, just like these agencies that we have now came to Irisan already to introduce what are the supposed thing we will do, from clean in green, to planting, to agriculture, to the changes of trainings, leadership training, and so changes. After that, I think our eyes were opened to see what development can do. We applied for electricity, so we have already electric lights, aside from using our old gas lamps, candles, and then the salam or the pitch that we used to have in the past. Those were the changes. And then from the sale of the land, all of the children went to school. So these children also went to learn that, oh, there's a beautiful one if our house will be like this, if it will be developed like this. So changes slowly became a part of our development. We bought galvanized iron, so our houses were already roofed with galvanized iron, and then slowly the wooden wall became hollow blocks, and so on. We already have glasses as windows. Before it was just a galvanized iron. But if I were to compare, life then was very simple, but it was beautiful. It was enjoyable. It was very close to nature, and it's clean, and the environment is really very invigorating. What did not change is this fog that we have now. So at 11 o'clock, fogs just wrap the area. That's why sometimes they say this is London fog. We don't need to go to London and experience that fog because it is already there. Yes. And then with the coming of the other tribes also coming from Tagalogs, Pangasinan, especially from the mountain provinces, we already have mixed cultures. Of course, those from the mountain province introduces or practice their own culture, but at least there were no fightings. Everybody was invited to eat, everybody is invited to partake, everybody is invited to dance, until mixed marriages came. And with the mixed marriages, on the other hand, the mountain provinces, the lowlanders introduced their culture, so there's a mixed culture already.